हमारी एक स्मूथ सेगमेंट मार्वल्स ऑफ मेहरौली. We are standing at Adam Khan's tomb. Who was Adam Khan? The Mughal Empire was started by Babur in 1526 after he defeated Ibrahim Lodi. He could only rule for 4 years. He died in 1530. After his death, his successor was Humayun. Humayun was not very fond of wars and swords, and he was more into literature and books. So, because of that, because he was not a very strong administrator, he was defeated by Sher Shah Suri and was sent on an exile to Persia under the kingdom of Shah. He was accompanied by his chief wife called Hamida Banu Begum. Hamida Banu Begum and Humayun's son was Jalaluddin Muhammad Akbar, who was the future heir to the Mughal throne. Akbar did not spend much time with his parents. He was under the guidance of Behram Khan, who was the regent of the Mughal Empire, as well as his wet nurse called Mahamanga. Now Mahamanga's son was Adam Khan. Adam Khan, because he was her son and also because Mahamanga was very important to Akbar, he was Akbar's foster brother and he had a title in the end called Koka. Koka meaning foster brother. After Humayun regained his empire, he could only rule for a few more years. But after his death, because accidentally he fell off the stairs of the Sher Mandal, which is situated in Purana Killa, Akbar had to sit on the throne. Akbar was just 14 years old. In 1561, Akbar had given an important position to another person who had given his maximum to the Mughal nobility. His name was Atta Khan. Shamsuddin Atta Khan's wife was Jiji Anga, who too was Akbar's wet nurse. Shamsuddin Atta Khan was very important to the Mughal Empire since the time of Humayun. Akbar, because he played a very important role in building up the empire, had given him a very important position in the nobility. He was actually appointed as the main minister. When Adam Khan got to know about this, he was really pissed and jealous at how could Akbar give him such an important position. So one day, he, along with his guards, got into an argument with Akka Khan and Adam Khan stabbed Akka Khan. Akbar was inside his chamber when he heard about Akka Khan's murder. He came out and he saw Adam Khan walking towards him with the sword that still had stain of Akka Khan's blood. Akbar got so infuriated that उन्होंने आदम खान का सर पकड़ा और दीवार से पटक दिया. साथ में एक मुक्का भी उनके मुंह पे मारा. So that made Adam Khan unconscious. Then Akbar ordered his guards to throw him off the rampart of Agra fort, his head facing the ground. He didn't die in the first attempt. Then again he ordered them to bring him up and again throw him down the rampart.
जलील, कमीमज़ादे, एहसान फरामोश, तेरी ये जुर्रत हमारे वाले जैसे नेक इंसान का कत्ल कर डाला तूने. इस गरीब शख्स को गिरफ्तार कर लिया जाए. आज तूने हमारे सब्र की सारी हदें तोड़ दी. अपने नापाक गुनाह को तूने खान बाबा के पाक कफन से ढांकना चाहा. वो खान बाबा जो मुगलिया सल्तनत के वफादार ही नहीं बल्कि एक फरिश्ता सीरत इंसान भी थे और हमारे लिए एक वालिद का दर्जा रखते थे. इसे उठाकर सर के बल यहां से नीचे फेंक दिया जाए.
नहीं जलाल, जलाल नहीं, नहीं जलाल.
हुक्म की तामील हो. क्या वो मर गया?
नहीं जा पड़ा, अभी जान बाकी है।
उसे ऊपर लाया जाए और दोबारा फेंका जाए।
जहां पड़ा।
The news of Adam Khan's death was given personally by Akbar to Mahamanga. Mahamanga, when she heard that her son had died, she was really sad, but keeping that aside, she told Akbar that he had done well. But she was so heartbroken that within 6 months she too died. When you look at Adam Khan's tomb, it's octagonal in shape. Octagonal tombs were generally constructed by the emperors like Shesha Suri, the Sur emperors. But because they were considered as traitors by the Mughal, Adam Khan was also given an octagonal tomb. But there's another story to it. Octagonal tombs were not very new in the Islamic world, as octagonal means 8 and that means hushed bahisht. Hushed bahisht means 8 paradise in the Islamic world. So a lot of tombs were constructed in the octagonal shape. Even Humayun tomb was constructed in an octagonal shape. In the colonial period, Metcalfe bought Adam Khan's tomb from the family, as the family was economically backward at that point of time. And this tomb was converted into a guest house for the British officials. So earlier there were 2 cenotaphs, one that belonged to Adam Khan, the other to Mahamanga. Even Mahamanga is buried in the Adam Khan's tomb. So because it was converted into the guest house for the British officials, the cenotaphs were removed. Now that we see is the single cenotaph lying in the middle of the chamber. But we really don't know whether it's aligned to the grave of Adam Khan. Unlike the other Mughal tombs, Adam Khan's tomb is very basic and plain and it lacks embellishment. But we do see 6-sided star. 6-sided star, people confuse it with the Star of David, but it wasn't that. 6-sided star means Shakti and Shiv. Maximum buildings in the Mughal as well as the medieval period were constructed by Hindu masons. So that is why we see the 6-sided star. In the movie Jodha Akbar, which was directed by Ashutosh Gowarkar, you can see how Akbar assassinated Adam Khan. That is actually true, because a lot of people think that whatever they showed in the film was more of an exaggeration, but that is not the case. It has been seen in Akbarnama. There is a painting that shows the fall of Adam Khan from the terrace of Agra Fort. I hope that you liked our episode. Please like, share and subscribe and keep watching Tariq. See ya!